Hey everyone, it's Eric Miller with Econologics Financial Advisors. Hey, if you ever wanted to know the importance of having a household chief financial officer, then you definitely want to pay attention to this video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about not only the importance or what is a household chief financial officer, but the importance of making sure that you have a household chief financial officer in your household. So let's start with this. The household chief financial officer, what is that? Well, most of you are probably familiar with a chief financial officer of an organization. That's the person that is responsible for the financial solvency of an organization. So what would a household chief financial officer be? Well, that would be the person in the household that is responsible for the condition and the direction of the household in terms of it achieving its optimum financial condition. This would be a person that not only understands the basic principles of money, that is trained in the basic principles of money, but is treating the household like a parent company that it is. And it's also treating the household like a business, meaning it's running the finances of the household like a business would run its finances. Look, it's not someone in the household that's just paying the bills. It's not someone in the household that just understands spreadsheets. It's the person that has assumed the identity of a person that's trustworthy, that's competent, and understands basic principles of finance. Look, we all have financial goals that we're trying to achieve. A lot of us want to have a new house, or we want to have cars, or we want to pay for college, or we want to have retirement savings. We all have financial goals for our household. The action steps of getting to those goals really aren't that difficult. You just have to understand basic principles. The reason why most practice owners aren't achieving their financial goals is that they don't adopt the identity of the type of person that they need to be successful with money. And that identity is that of the household chief financial officer. I'll give you an example. Look, I have a great wife, but there's no way I would be able to have a great wife if I didn't assume the identity of a good husband. There's no way you're going to be good with money if you don't assume the identity of someone that is capable of being good with money. So I can't overstate the importance of really adopting the attitudes and the actions of acting like a very, very good, competent household chief financial officer. I'm Eric Miller, asking you to be a really good friend to yourself, create some good financial habits today, and do well. Thanks again for watching this video. I really hope it had an impact on you and can help you in some way. And if it did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share this. And if you want to, tell me what you want to hear from us. Like, give me a financial topic that we can talk about, that we can do in further videos. And what I really want you to do, most importantly, I want you to take some action. I want you to contact us, contact an Econologics specialist, schedule an appointment so that you can start your road towards financial improvement. It's not going to happen by itself. You need to take some action. We're definitely here to help you. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you later.